The second and fifth terms of a geometric progression are 16 and 2 respectively. Determine the common ratio and the first term. We can apply the formula for geometric progression. The formula is nth term is given by a r power n minus 1, where n is equal to the nth term, a is equal to first term, r is equal to common ratio. So now we are told the second and fifth terms of a geometric progression are 16 and 2 respectively. Determine the common ratio and the first term. So we can say that when the second term is given as a 16, then it means that n is a 2. N is 2. Then we can apply this formula here. We can say that 16 is equal to AR n power 1, and this is giving us AR. Our n is 2. 2 minus 1, which is equal to AR. 2 minus 1 is 1. AR power 1, which is the same as AR. So we can say that 16 is equal to AR. This is our first equation. Then we can say that when the fifth term is equal to 2, then n is equal to 5. We can apply the same formula here, this one here. We can say that 2 is equal to AR n minus 1. AR power n minus 1, which is equal to AR, and n is 5. 5 minus 1, which is giving us AR power 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. AR power 4. 2 is equal to AR power 4. This is our second equation. So now we are having two equations, and we can use them to form simultaneous equations. We can say that 16 is equal to AR, this one here, and 2 is equal to AR power 4, this one here. So now we can make A the subject. We can make A the subject here in this our first equation. 16 is equal to AR. We can divide by R both sides. R both sides. A is equal to 16 over R. Now we can substitute A in the second equation here. We can say that 2 is equal to A R power 4 in the second equation. And now we have found A to be 16 over R. So we can say that 2 is equal to 16 over R times R power 4 times R power 4. So this is giving us 2 is equal to 16 times R times R times R times R over R. R is going to cancel R here. 2 is equal to 16 R power 3. 1, 2, 3. We can divide both sides by 2 is equal to 16 R power 3. We can divide by 16 here. We can divide by 16 here. We divide both sides by 16. So 16 will cancel 16 here. 2 goes here, 1, 2 goes here, 8. 1 over 8 is equal to R power 3. We can say that R power 3 is equal to 1 over 8. R power 3 is equal to 1 over 2 power 3. This is giving us we can take the cube root of both sides. We can say that R power 3 cube root is equal to cube root of 1 over 2 power 3 that is cube root over R power 3 is equal to cube root over 1 over 2 power 3. So now 3 will cancel the cube root here. R is equal to cube root over 1 over 2 power 3 is just like the cube root over 1 power 3 over 2 power 3, which is equal to 1 over 2. 1 over 2. So our R here is equal to 1 over 2. Therefore, we can say that the common ratio is equal to 1 over 2. 1 over 2. Now we can use this equation here, 16, we can use equation 1. 16 is equal to AR in order to find A. So we can carry out the substitutions now that we have found R to be 1 over 2. We can say that 16 is equal to A times 1 over 2. 16 is equal to A over 2. We can cross multiply. A is equal to 16 times 2. A is equal to 32. This implies that A is equal to 32. So the first term, therefore, the first term A is equal to 32. Thank you for watching.